In this video, let me show you the way that you can create an account of SoundCloud. If you're trying to listen to music through the platform of SoundCloud, either you can download the application of SoundCloud onto your phone, or if you're using your desktop, you can open up a web browser and search for soundcloud.com. As soon as you do, you'll be taken to the official website. Now, in order to create an account, you'll have a button which says create account on the top right of the screen. You can just click on this option. And then there are a few ways of creating an account. Either you can use your Facebook, your Google account, or your Apple account, or you can also use your email address. If you choose to use your email address, you'll need to type it in and then click on continue. In the next step, you'll need to create a password. Make sure the password is at least 8 characters long, and then you can reveal your password by clicking on this eye icon. Once that is done, click on continue. Now, these two things are required. You need to select your age and select your gender as well. So fill in both of these information and then click on continue. And there you go. Once you fill all of these information, your account of SoundCloud now has been successfully created. You can use this platform to browse music or even upload your own. So that's all there is for this video. That was a quick process on the way that you create an account of SoundCloud. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.